Hi, my name is Louis, and I also go by Yenchi Wang. I'm originally from Taiwan, but I also spent several years in the United States. I choose to take the program here in the University of Winnipeg, and specifically the PACE AI program, is because I want hands-on experience in the AI industry. And I believe that PACE AI is going to be one of the best programs I can take to equip me for the future career here in Canada. As a student in PACE AI program, I would say that all of our professors are from the industry. They are giving us the most practical skills such as data analysis, Python programming, cloud computing, and also machine learning, which every single one of these skills are invaluable in the modern days AI industry. And I'll say that through the hands-on experience practicing with these instructors, I get very comfortable working in any industry, not just for the AI industry. They prepare us with the confidence that we can succeed in any industry. And as I graduated recently, I started a career in the bike customizations industry, serving as the digital solutions lead. The company is called Freedom Concepts, which is a company that helps out with people that have the unique needs in their bicycle selections. For my daily tasks, I would say that I do data analysis, data workflow, and enterprise solutions and upgrades, which are pretty much everything that I learned from the PACE AI program. If you're coming to Canada, especially you are the person who are into technology and wanted to develop your career here, I would say I highly recommend you to join the PACE AI program. It is going to be a good start for you in Canada. Thank you.